There is a bright and colorful forest near the city. There are rumors that in the depths of the forest lives an adventurer who has seen the whole world. He is ready to share his knowledge with everyone who meets him. Today, Susan, Joe, and Ethan were the lucky ones when he suddenly landed on a tree branch near them.
Hello, friends! My name is Teacher Wingworld. Today, I am going to tell you about incredible animals from all over the world. Are you ready?
Yes!
Borneo Rainforest.
This is Simba. An orangutan is a genus of large great apes that live in the tropical rainforests on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra in Southeast Asia. Orangutans have long arms that are much longer than their legs, allowing them to move efficiently through the trees. They have red or brownish-red fur. Males are much larger than females and have pronounced cheek growths, flanks, which makes them look more impressive. Orangutans lead a predominantly solitary lifestyle. Females with cubs can form small groups, but adult males usually live independently. Orangutans are omnivores, but the basis of their diet is fruit. They also eat leaves, bark, flowers, honey, and insects. Orangutans are known for their high level of intelligence. They can use tools to forage for food, such as twigs to extract insects from tree bark or leaves as umbrellas from the rain. They have an excellent memory. Orangutans are able to memorize the location of fruit trees and when they bear fruit, which helps them to search for food efficiently. Female orangutans devote a lot of time and effort to raising their young. Young orangutans stay with their mothers for up to 6 to 8 years, learning all the necessary skills for survival. Every night, orangutans build nests of branches and leaves, which they place high in the trees to rest. The nest is usually built in 5 to 10 minutes and is strong enough to support the weight of an orangutan. Orangutans play an important role in their ecosystems by helping to disperse seeds and maintain the health of the rainforest. Protecting these large primates is an important step in conserving the biodiversity of Southeast Asia's rainforests.
Hello, friends. I'm an orangutan, and I live in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. I like to eat fruit and spend time in the trees. We orangutans are very smart and can use tools. But our forests are disappearing, so help us to preserve nature and not to litter. Let's take care of our planet together.
We need to protect nature so that Simba and his friends have a place to live.
Semi-desert region of Asia.
This is Norik, the yellow-bellied groundhog, a large rodent that lives in the steppes, mountain meadows, and semi-deserts of Central Asia. The yellow-bellied marmot has a massive body, short legs, and a fluffy tail. The color of its coat varies from light gray to dark brown, with a yellowish or orange tint on the belly, which is where its name comes from. Marmots live in complex burrow systems that they dig on mountain slopes or in steppes. Burrows have several entrances and can reach a depth of up to 3 meters. Burrows provide marmots with protection from predators and extreme weather conditions. Marmots are social animals that live in colonies. They maintain contact through sound signals, such as whistles and cries, which are used to warn of danger. During the cold months, yellow-bellied marmots go into deep hibernation, which can last up to 6 to 7 months. Groundhogs can wake up periodically during hibernation to move around in their burrow or change their body position. During hibernation, they reduce their metabolism and live off of fat reserves accumulated in the summer. Groundhogs are herbivores. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, flowers, leaves, and other plant materials. They actively feed during the summer, accumulating fat reserves for hibernation. Yellow-bellied marmots are well adapted to extreme temperatures. including high summer temperatures and low winter temperatures. Their thick fur provides excellent insulation. They can survive in conditions of limited water, getting the necessary moisture from plant food. By digging burrows, marmots contribute to the aeration and loosening of the soil, which promotes plant growth. This also helps prevent soil erosion. Groundhogs influence the structure of plant communities by selecting certain plant species for food. They can also contribute to the spread of plant seeds.
Hello, I hope you've had fun learning about me. If you're ever in my neck of the woods, you might see me sitting by my hole watching the world go by.
You are so cute!
The ocean.
This is azure. The blue whale is the largest known animal organism on Earth. They are found in all oceans except the Arctic Ocean. In summer, blue whales usually stay in polar waters where food is plentiful, and in winter they migrate to warmer waters to breed. Adult blue whales can reach a length of 24 to 30 meters. They weigh between 100 and 200 tons, and their tongue can weigh as much as an average African elephant, about 3 per 4 tons. The heart of a blue whale is about the size of a small car and weighs about 600-700 kilos. The circulatory system of a blue whale holds about 10 tons of blood. With each breath, a blue whale can inhale up to 5,000 liters of air. Their color varies from light blue to gray blue. The color may appear slightly darker underwater. Microorganisms and algae can form on the skin of blue whales, which sometimes gives them a greenish tint. Their body is long and slender, which allows them to swim at high speeds. The main food of blue whales is krill, small crustaceans. They can consume up to 4 tons of krill per day. When feeding, a blue whale opens its mouth and gulps down huge volumes of water and krill. It then closes its mouth and squeezes the water out through its whiskers, leaving the krill inside. Blue whales emit low-frequency sounds that can be transmitted up to 1,000 miles underwater. This is one of the loudest sounds made by living creatures.
Hello, people. I am Azure, the blue whale, the largest creature on Earth. My majesty and power reach the depths of the oceans, where I live and travel with my family. My world is filled with countless wonders that are hidden from your eyes. We, the whales, are the keepers of these secrets and live in harmony with the water. Every day, I swim thousands of kilometers following the krill that is my food. I feel the pulse of the ocean, its breath and rhythm. When I sing, my songs travel through the waterways, connecting me to other whales at distances you can hardly imagine.
Wow, you're incredibly big!
The forests of America.
This is Sparkler, a hummingbird. Unique and fascinating birds, known for their bright appearance, incredible flight abilities, and tiny size. Representatives of this family live in America, from Alaska and Labrador to Tierra del Fuego. They are widespread in tropical forests, especially in the Midlands. Hummingbirds can be very small. The smallest of them, for example, the bee hummingbird, reach only 5 to 6 centimeters in length. The weight of these birds usually ranges from 2 to 20 grams. Hummingbirds have bright, shiny plumage, often with a metallic sheen. Their colors range from green and blue to red, yellow, and purple. Their long, thin beaks are ideal for extracting nectar from flowers. Hummingbirds can fly at high speeds and perform complex maneuvers. They can hover in the air, fly backwards, and even upside down. Hummingbird wings can make up to 80 beats per second, which allows them to move quickly and hover in place. The main food of hummingbirds is the nectar of flowers, which they extract with their long beaks and tongues. They also consume small insects and spiders to get the protein they need. Hummingbirds have an extremely high metabolic rate to maintain their intense flight abilities. They need to consume a lot of food to maintain their energy. Hummingbirds build tiny nests from spider webs, moss, and plant fibers. Females usually lay 2 pea-sized eggs. Females raise their chicks on their own, providing them with food and protection. Hummingbirds have a good memory and can memorize the location of flowers and the time of their flowering. Hummingbirds usually live from 3 to 5 years, although some individuals can live up to 10 years or more in favorable conditions. Hummingbirds are amazing creatures that amaze with their beauty, energy, and flying skills. They are important pollinators of many plants, playing a key role in the ecosystems where they live.
Hello, I am Sparkle, a small but extremely fast hummingbird. My wings are always in motion, helping me to hover over the flowers and enjoy the sweet nectar. Every day I visit hundreds of flowers, searching for the most delicious nectar, and in doing so I help pollinate the plants, giving them new life.
You are so small and incredibly fast.
African savanna.
This is Tala. Hyenas are extremely curious and social mammals present in almost all open habitats in sub-Saharan Africa, including semi-deserts, savannas, and sparse forests, dense dry forests, and even mountain habitats. Hyenas have a characteristic humped spine, with longer front legs and shorter hind legs. There are 4 species of hyenas. The spotted hyena is the largest and most famous of the hyenas, known for its social and aggressive behavior. The spotted hyena has characteristic dark spots on a light background. It is an omnivore, but is known for hunting and eating carrion. It can hunt large prey, such as antelopes. Spotted hyenas live in large social groups called clans, which can number up to 80 individuals. They have a complex social hierarchy led by females. The striped hyena is less aggressive than the spotted hyena and lives in North and East Africa, as well as in the Middle East and India. They have stripes on their sides, mostly scavengers, but also eat fruits, insects, and small mammals. Brown hyena, common in South Africa, known for its long, shaggy fur. Brown hyena has long, dark brown fur. Like the striped hyena, they are scavengers, but also eat fruit, insects, and small mammals. The ground wolf is the smallest of the hyenas, feeding mainly on termites and other insects. Hyenas are known for their laugh, which is used to communicate within the clan. They also make other sounds, such as screams and grunts, to communicate and intimidate. Hyenas play an important role in the ecosystem as scavengers, destroying carrion and helping to keep the environment clean.
Hello, I am Tala, a spotted hyena from the vast savannas of Africa. My family is my clan, and we live together. We are the sanitation workers of our land. We eat carrion, clearing the territory of residues and preventing the spread of diseases.
Wow, that's amazing!
Returning home.
Today we learned about rare animals and how important it is to protect them. Each of us can help nature by saving resources and not polluting the environment. Did you like my story?
Yes!
That's great! Goodbye, dear friends. See you soon.